Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from depreciation account related to diminishing balance method. Diminishing balance method is also known as reducing balance method, written down value method. So we'll see one problem today. The questionnaire might be asked you the question like, Raghu purchased a machine for rupees 30,000 on 1st April 2010. Depreciation is provided under diminishing balance method at the rate of 10%. Prepare machine account for first 3 years. So here 3 things you need to keep in mind. That the foremost thing is you need to understand the problem is given on diminishing balance method. Diminishing balance method is nothing but when the depreciation amount does not remains constant. Let us say, for example, in the first year depreciation might be 5,000, then the next year depreciation will not be 5,000. It might be 4,000, it might be 4,500, it might be 3,000, but not 5,000. That means it is not fixed. That is why it is called as diminishing balance method, reducing balance method, and written down value method. Let's see how to solve this diminishing balance problem. Here it has mentioned that Mr. Raghu purchased a machine for 30,000. Whenever a man or anybody or any business organization or a person purchased a machine, you need to write first the date, 1st April 2010, to bank account. When you purchased an asset, need to write to bank account because you are paying 30,000 for that particular asset. The amount is 30,000. Then it has mentioned that depreciation is provided under diminishing balance method. We need to calculate depreciation for first year. So how you are going to calculate here? 30,000 into 10%, which means 30,000 into 10 by 100, which is equal to, if you cancel 0, you will get 3,000. The shortcut is, if you deduct 1 0, that amount is said to be the 10% amount of particular 30,000, which is said to be 3,000 rupees. 30,000, 10% depreciation, shortcut is cut off 1 0, you will get 3,000. So 31st March 2011 by depreciation account, how much? 3,000 rupees. Why? Because 10%, it has mentioned that 10% of 30,000 is 3,000. Now what will be the balance carried on now? If you deduct 3,000 from 30,000, you will get by balance carried down. By balance carry down, if you deduct 3,000 from 30,000, it will be 27,000. So the balance carried down after usage of 1 year of machine, the value of the machine is 27,000. Total is 30,000. Total is 30,000. So by balance carried down is transferred to here, to balance brought down on the next date, 1st April 2011, to balance brought down 27,000. Next year ended date 31st March 2012 by depreciation account. How much it would be? Now why the amount is 2,700? Why? I will tell you. Because we are following diminishing balance method. Now we have to calculate 10% on 27,000. 27,000 into 10% means into 10 divided by 100. If you cut off 0, 0, 0, 0 here, 2,700 is the answer. The shortcut is, for calculating 10%, cut off 1 0 from here, you will get 2,700. This is the shortcut to calculate 10%. 2,700 is the depreciation. Now look at the depreciation amount here. Here in the first year it is 3000, in the next year is 2700. Both are not same, does not constant. It remains change because we are following diminishing balance method. In the next year also, you will find somewhat other depreciation amount. By balance carry down, how much it would be? If you deduct 2700 from 27,000 minus 27,000 minus 2,700, 0, 0, 10, 3, 6, 2, 4, 24,300. Always remember, calculation plays a key role while solving a problem. Don't do calculation in your mind. Try to solve it with the help of calculator or else on a rough note, on a working note. 24,300 is the balance carry down. Now the total is 27,000. Here also 27,000. Last year we need to calculate 3 years. Already we have completed first year, second year. Now this is the last year we need to calculate. 1st April 2012 to balance bought down, how much? Which is said to be 24,300. Now the year ended on 31st March 2013. By depreciation account, calculate 10% on it. Just now I have shown you a shortcut. If you cut off 1 0, you will get 10% of 24,300. 24,300, 10% will be 2,430. If you calculate, you will come to know that. If you want to go for long cut, yes you can. This is the shortcut. By balance carry down, if you deduct 24,300 minus 2430, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 3, 7, 12 minus 4, 8, 3 minus 2, 1, 2. So the answer is, after usage of 3 years of machine which was purchased by Raghu, is 21,870. Now look at the depreciation here. It is also different when compared to first year and second year. So every year depreciation will be changed. In the first year 3,000, second year 2,700, third year 2,430, 2,430. Every year depreciation changes. Why? Because we are doing under the method called as diminishing balance. Hope you understood today's problem. 24,300 is the total, and the total is here is 24,300, and the answer you need to transfer here, which is said to be 1st April 2013 to balance bought down 21,870. This is your answer. Hope you understood today's problem. We'll see in other videos how to calculate depreciation on the basis of fixed installment method as well. Thank you everyone.